I'm at the grand opening of the Wawa. This is the back side. It's insane amount of people. I was trying to pull in from the highway and people parked in the lane that you turn into. They have a whole setup here. Fire trucks here, the police. I don't know if they actually had the ceremony yet or not. Oh, the ribbon cutting, it looks like. It's completely insane. See all the people over there? That's the inn, and people parked there. And the gas is $2.99. Every gas station around here yesterday morning was $3.14, and then yesterday afternoon it went up to $3.59. So this is $2.99 a gallon here at the Wawa. And there's a line to get in. Complete insanity here. Of course, the music is blasting. I wanted to get my free coffee and a free t-shirt, but that's only to the first 250 people. So that's a no. Oh, some of them got them. I see they have them. I take that back. There is t-shirts available. I'm going to get one. Oh, so cute. Hi. Medium, please.
If you guys have never been to a Wawa before, thank you for coming us. Bowling Green, we are one of the best ones, actually. If you guys have not been here before, you're going to order in the pastries that are in front of the deli. You're going to get a little slip. That little slip is going to tell you if you're there. You're going to keep that slip. Go grab anything else you want. Maybe one of those free drinks, those hot coffees, or $9.95 drinks. You're going to go to the register, then you're going to come back to the deli and pick up your food with
It was so exciting. And I did put a good word into one of the employees, like, hey, I'm from Philly. This is so exciting that they opened a Wawa here. I said, but I live in Michigan. So I was like, please tell corporate to come to Michigan. And he goes, I will. I said, hey, Sheetz is already there with 50, 60 locations. And you guys got to come up to Michigan. Come see us in the Mitten. I got I'm trying to get this coffee here. I got my hazelnut coffee with the hazelnut creamer. That's my fave. I'm still so excited about going to that grand opening of Wawa. Look at my t-shirt. It says grand opening in the USA 2026. And in the back it says all the states that they're coming to. It says coming to a state near you. Of course, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland they're already there. Virginia, Florida, yes, they have been in Florida. I've been to a bunch of them in Florida. Alabama, which is, I guess that's close to Florida. Well, I guess it is. Yes, it is. North Carolina, Georgia, Ohio. Oh, they're in Ohio. Indiana, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Tennessee. And now they're in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I have to add Kentucky. I want them to come to Michigan. You know, when it comes to Wawa coffee, it's all about the little things. Most people, when they go to Wawa, are not getting gas. It's not a gas station. They do sell gas. It's an experience. Thanks for watching.